Hello everyone, my name is Palak Rawat and I am from class 11B. In this video, we are going to talk about Nagaland, the state of cultural diversity and tribes. Art Integrity Project. Introduction. Nagaland is a mountainous state in northeast India. It is bordered by the state of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south, and Myanmar to the southeast. It's home to diverse indigenous tribes with festivals and markets celebrating the different tribes' culture. Its capital city is Kohima and its largest city is Dimapur. Formation of Nagaland. Nagaland became the 16th state of India on 1 December 1963. The state has experienced insurgency as well as an inter-ethnic conflict since the 1950s. History of Nagaland. The ancient history of the Nagas is unclear. Tribes migrated at different times, each settling in the northeastern part of present India and establishing their respective sovereign mountain, terrains and village states. The origin of the word Naga is also unclear. A popularly accepted but controversial view is that it originated from the Burmese word Naka or Naga, meaning people with earrings. Others suggest it means pierced noses. The Naga Memorandum submitted by the Naga Club, which later became the Naga National Council, to the Seaman Commission explicitly stated to leave us alone to determine ourselves as in ancient times. In February 1946, the Naga Club officially took shape into a unified Naga National Council, Wokha district. In June 1946, the Naga National Council submitted a four-point memorandum to officials discussing the independence of India from British colonial rule. Accordingly, the territory was placed under the Nagaland Traditional Provisions Regulation (1961), which provided for an interim body consisting of 45 members, to be elected by tribes according to the customs, traditions, and uses of the respective tribes. Subsequently, Nagaland attained statehood with the enactment of the State of Nagaland Act in 1962 by the Parliament. The interim body was dissolved on 30 November 1963 and the state of Nagaland was formally inaugurated on 1 December 1963 and Kohima was declared as the state capital. After elections in January 1964, the first democratically elected Nagaland Legislative Assembly was constituted on 11 February 1964. Thank you everyone.